Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer this simple question right here. The question reads, fx is equal to mx squared plus nx if f of 2 is equal to 4 and f of 3 is equal to 15. Find the values of the constants m and n. So here, if you have observed, we have been given this function f of x, which is equal to this function right here. Then we have f2 equal to 4, and we also have f3 equal to 15. So we need to find the value of the constants, the value of m, and the value of what? N. So how can we find these two values? So first thing, what you are going to do is you are going to take note of this function right here. So the function that we have is f of x equal to mx squared plus nx. This is our function that we have. Then from here, we are going to use this for f of 2, which is the first one that they have given us. So we are going to say f of 2 equal to, so now this means that this x is equal to what? 2, because we are saying f of 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. So on this function right here, where we have x, we are going to substitute a what? A 2. So we are going to write m, then brackets we say 2 squared plus n, then 2. So I've substituted here, there is a 2, x squared meaning 2 squared. So from here we can say 2 squared it's a 4, so this will be 4m plus 2n. Okay, equal to, now they said f2 is equal to 4. So here where we have f2, we are going to substitute with a what? F4. So you can mark this as our equation 1. Okay, so I hope it's clear. So that is our equation 1. Now from there we can now come to f of 3 right here, which is this one. So we are just going to do the same. Okay, where there is x, we are going to substitute with a 3 right here, and then f of 3 will be equal to 15. So even this one, we are going to write it in such a way that we are going to say f of 3 is equal to, so right here we are using the same function where there is x, we are going to put a 3. So we are going to have m in brackets, we are going to have 3 squared plus n, again we put a 3. So I hope you are following here. Then from here, what are we going to do? So we are just going to say, if we multiply 3 power 2, it's a 9, okay? So this will give us 9m plus 3n. That is what we are going to have. Okay, so this one now, f of 3 will be equated to a 15. So right here, we are going to have a 15. And this will be marked as our equation 2. So we have now these two equations, this equation and this one. We can solve them simultaneously. So let's say how we can solve these two equations to find the value of the constants. So this is the stage where we are now. We have this equation 1 and equation 2. So we can solve these equations simultaneously by using elimination method. So we can do this. We draw a line right here, then we do this. So we can either eliminate 9 m or n. So let's say we eliminate m. So if we are eliminating m, we can get the coefficient of this m down here, which is a positive 9. We can multiply it with everything on top. We also get this coefficient of m on top, which is a 4, a positive 4. We write it down. Okay, so from there, what are we going to do? So from there, it becomes very easy. Okay, we are just going to multiply. So 9 times 4. 9 times 4 gives us 36. So we're going to have 36m plus 9 times 2. We are going to have 18n equal to 9 times 4. We are going to get a 36. Okay, then from here, we can also say 4 times 9 to give us 36m plus 4 times 3 to give us 12n equal to 4 times 15 to give us a 60. Okay, so we can, in order to eliminate m and m, we have 36, 36. We can use the minus operation here so that this minus this will cancel. So these will cancel, give us a 0. Then 18 minus 12. So 18n minus 12n to give us 6n equal to 36 minus 60. Okay, 36 minus 60 will give us negative 24 to give us negative 24. I hope this is clear. So from here we can divide by 6, even this side by 6, so that this and this will cancel. We have n equal to 6 here, 1, 6 into 24, it's a 4. So n is equal to a negative what? 4. So I have found the first value of which is n equal to negative 4. We can now find the value of what? M. So to find the value of m, you can either pick equation 1 or equation 2, whatever equation. So let's say if we pick 4m plus 2n is equal to 4. This is our equation 1. So you know that n is equal to negative what? 4. So I'm going to write 4m plus 2, open bracket, where there is n, you are going to put a minus 4, then equal to 4. So we are going to have 4m positive 2 times negative 4 to give us negative 8 is equal to a 4. So from here, we can let this negative 8 go to where positive 4 is. We can have 4m equal to, we have 4 plus 8, okay? And 4 plus 8, this will give us a what? A 12. So we are going to have 4m is equal to a 12. Okay, so from here, what are we going to do? Let me just erase this part. All right, so I'm sure you can't see what is down here. This is what we have. 4m is equal to 12. So now what we are doing is we want to find the value of m. So we can divide both sides by a 4 so that this and this will cancel. M is equal to 4 here, 1. 4 into 12, it's a 3. So m is equal to 3. So therefore, we can safely say that the values of n is equal to negative 4 and m is equal to 3. So these are the values of the constants, okay? These are the values of the constants. N is equal to negative 4 and m is equal to a 3. So we have come to the end of our short presentation. Thank you so much, everybody. Bye-bye.